Here's how to use Google Translate on WhatsApp. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can use Google Translate on WhatsApp. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you'll need to have Google Translate app on your device. So simply just download it from App Store or anywhere you would like to. I have it already here, as you can see. And you simply need this and you're pretty much good to go. So now we're just gonna open up WhatsApp, and here, as you can see, this is the text, and we can use pretty much any text language, but I'm just gonna copy this text language, and let's say someone sent you a message in Spanish or any other language, and pretend this is a message. So you simply need to hold and hold that message, and you'll see some more options, but you simply need to copy it. Once you copy the message, you just need to go back to Google Translate. And then here, as you can see, it says English to any other language. So I'm just gonna select any other language with it. So let's say if I want to respond in Spanish, so I'm just gonna type in Spanish over here and press it, and then I'm just gonna paste whatever I had copied, and here you go. It says "Cómo estás?" and it basically means "How are you?" So I can just copy it and then go back to WhatsApp and then do it just like that. Here, as you can see, it's as simple as that, and this is pretty much it on how you can use Google Translate on WhatsApp. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.